Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a custom ringtone for free on iPhone. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, go to App Store and search for GarageBand. Then it shows the results regarding the search. Choose the GarageBand and install it. Launch the application after successful installation. Then it shows the recent interface as displaying in the tutorial. There, tap on the plus icon available at the top right. It shows all the available musical instruments. Swipe to find the audio recorder tool. And tap on it to launch the tool. Then you will the workspace of audio recorder. If you notice the blue color icon indicating in the tutorial, tap on it to turn off. If not, you will get a small disturbance in your ringtone. Later, tap on the grid icon available at the top left. Then it changes to timeline interface. Tap on the loop icon available at the top right. A tab will open and allows you to choose the music file which you want to create as ringtone. Move to the Files option. And there you find all the local music files available in your iPhone. Long press on the music file and drag it onto the timeline as showing in the tutorial. Try to make your ringtone with a duration of 30 seconds. Tap on the added music files to modify the music file. It shows the options like cut, copy, delete, loop, split, rename, and settings. Using these options, you can easily modify or adjust the music file. After making all the necessary modifications, tap on the drop-down icon available at the top left. Then the file starts to sync with iCloud. Long press on the file, and it shows options in 3D view. Choose the Share option by tapping on it. Then it shows 3 forms to share the music file, such as song, ringtone, and project. Choose the Ringtone option. Enter the name for your ringtone. And click on the Export option available at the top right corner. It shows a message after the completion of export process. If you want to set this ringtone as your iPhone ringtone, tap on the Use Sound As option. Then it shows 3 options to set ringtone as standard ringtone, standard text tone, and assigned to contact. Tap on the Standard Ringtone option to set it as your iPhone ringtone. If you want to set this tone later as your ringtone, go to Settings, and tap on the Sounds and Haptics option. Tap on the Ringtone option. There you will find your custom ringtone in the ringtones list. From here, by tapping on the ringtone you can set it as your iPhone ringtone. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article, link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.